ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯌꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯨꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯒꯗꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯪꯉꯤ how you spend your life first life tumhum khangamoi chabum khangamoi kanano amuk kihellamgani kanana modu torungani kari torungani life to pura unrest ne puma mi we life nu the phangdrabani but under the ever leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, we are opening the door openly. Lao, what is us? How can you what is our Zarirong United Front? I said the leader signed more than around 150 cadres. Suspension of cessation of operation. Monitoring committee same Belly base ki sili now sing show way. Talk how great job I guess you disclose over. We are going positively. But here I want to appeal to all the agencies operating in the state of Manipur. We should be united. We should be cooperative each other. We should help each other. We should communicate each other because we are doing all these things for the betterness of our nation, India. हम सब मिलकर काम करना है इसीलिए हम रिसेंटली सबको मीटिंग बुलाया how to deal with the drugs, how to deal with the poppy plantation. There was NCB, NIA, SIB, everyone was there and we are collectively marching ahead towards the total eradication of illegal drugs and poppy from the street. Yam nungai ai Lalhoulup atopa state da atopa country da leibiriba kulai pairaga sapiru robisil nausing once again I on behalf of the state government aduga as per the directions given by the Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji, I am inviting all of you, please, Thokpiro, homecoming, Yumda Lakpio, Arailete, Koi Fajana Tanar Kanda, Akanba Bharatama, Akanba Manipurama, United Manipurama, United Bharat, United India, Strong India. Same Badamadin Bambi, Lalhoulup now, my am the Soya Apil Tokjari.